Crypto, welcome to another episode of Crypto Rules Everything Around Me. Cream, follow the cream, get closer to your dream. This channel is created for technical analysis, entertainment, and educational purposes only, so don't take anything I say as financial advice. Everything I say in this channel is all speculative and my opinion only. Alright, so let's get started. Today is April 8th, Friday. Bitcoin's still on the red zone, as you can see over here. Let me increase the volume on that so we can bump it to some music. Yeah, we're in the red, minus 2%. The high of 44,686 and the low is 42,748. So we have 2 more hours until the next candle appears on the daily chart. Right now it's actually, I think, a bit lower because just fiat leak is a little bit it lags on information at least 20 minutes. But we had some bullish news today in Bitcoin. So here it is. 2 more regions to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. So the autonomous region of Portugal and Prospera on Honduras, right? So they're following El Salvador's path and making Bitcoin a legal tender. So I'm not gonna get into that. I'm just showing you guys news that came out today. Bullish, but it's not really affecting the market, which is okay. It's retracing because like I said, we were achieving high levels of RSI, so a pullback was expected just based on my indicators at least. And let's get into the charts, right? So okay, so over here we have Bitcoin not looking good on the daily, at least, because now we're going a little lower on the 50 EMA, and I told you guys if it does break lower on the 50 EMA, the next support is this level right here. Let me scroll that down all the way across. So I'm marking it to where these 2 heads right here. It's a clear indicator that that's support level. If you go more to the left, it is over here, tested there, right? So we are headed down there. It seems like it. It sucks to see that, like I was hoping it would hold in the 50 EMA, but charts will do what they do no matter what indicators or how good we are in technical analysis. It's still gonna follow what the market does best, which is doing its own thing. We can only do so much on the technical analysis, see where it's headed. It's just information and data given to us, and we just base our entries and exit plans based on technical analysis. So as of now, I am a little bit bearish on the daily. So if we break this support level at 41,800, we will test this next support at 41,000, and the next one would be here. All right, guys. So the next support if we keep breaking these support levels that I mentioned, the next one will be right here, which I don't want to happen because we all know where Dogedash will be headed if it hits lower. So we're looking to test 38,000 if all those previous support levels I mentioned are broken. Okay, hopefully it doesn't. So that's the daily. Let me exit that and let's go see the 1 hour. If you guys saw my video yesterday doing the 1 hour chart, it broke the trend. I was saying that. Also, if you guys don't see the episode from yesterday, I'll post a link right now in the top right. Make sure you watch it so you can compare my work from the previous day. Basically, here I charted this yesterday around this time. Yeah, and I was mentioning we were seeing high highs, right? Higher highs was forming, but today, as you can see, it broke. Basically got joked right here. If you're day trading, you would have got wrecked if you put a buy order right there. But I did mention also we were doing a bearish cross, so I was worried seeing the bearish cross coming into play, and it did confirm, and now it went even lower. So I mentioned in yesterday's charts I was bullish until Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does go down and retest this support level right here, which is a price range of 42,800, and as you can see, that support level is broken because, let me delete that. That's So that support level is broken because the price action is now lower than these two right here at 42,800. So now we have another downtrend. And if the thing that pisses me off about the crypto market, my personal opinion, just my observation, it takes a while for us to get on a bullish trend, right? And when we go bullish, it stays flat, and then bearish, flat, then bearish. Then the bearish action are so fast that within, let me measure these hours, right? Within 12 hours, it dropped 7%, right? Like it's not much, but on the chart, it looks big. Actually, it's actually bigger than 8%. Let me correct that. But it's just, yeah, 7%. No, it's higher than that, but just visually, it doesn't look appealing, right? Like the bullish trends, when they do happen, as soon as they find the top, it kind of just stays stagnant. It stays flat for a while. It's just straight, and then just the bearish action, in my opinion, are just faster. They happen faster and longer. So yeah, we just have to monitor this and see. We can continue, and if Bitcoin continues to make lower lows. If it does make lower lows, the downtrend is not over yet, right? So that's what it is. We just gotta keep watching it and monitor it. So Friday, Bitcoin is bearish. I don't know. Let's see by the time Asian market and the European market open in 2 hours, we'll see how the daily let's see how the daily react to it. So for BNB, same thing. We're still retesting all the gains we made yesterday. See that green candle there from yesterday is now being erased from all the losses we're making today. So it'll be interesting to see what kind of play we get on BNB, if it will stay above this 50 EMA. So other than that, bearish cross over here on the MACD, and the RSI is downtrending, right? So not much really happening on BNB. That's all. It's all retracement from here, guys. So the next one, actually, the reason why I want to cover this is because it's getting a lot of attention, and the next chart I want to chart is, I know some of you all hate it. I personally own it, but just because my own personal reasons, and I know what I hold, right? So XRP, I don't know if you guys saw this news, but this is very bullish news, but this news did not make the market reverse. Here it is, guys. Big news from XRP. Top NBA star Michael Jordan. We all know who Michael Jordan is. He's launching his NFT collection in the Ripple's XRP ledger. All right. This is new. This is big news, guys. So here it is. Tweet from Ripple alone. They posted, "We're excited to announce that through our creator fund partnership with BSAP partners, Rare Air Media is going to design, develop, and market a collection of one-of-a-kind NFTs on the XRP ledger covering former NBA star Michael Jordan's life and career." So Michael Jordan's NFTs are coming into play, and guess what? They'll be in XRP ledger. I don't know why people hate on XRP. My personal opinion, it does nothing but benefit us from using it. It's not only fast, it's really cheap to use. So hate it or love it, I'm invested in XRP. Don't buy XRP if you don't like it, but it's just based on my research, I like it. Like I said, the transaction time are a lot faster than any other coins out there. It is one of the fastest and one of the cheapest coins to use. So it only makes sense for people to use it, and I'm glad that, and you know what, it was mentioned in the space earlier in the Dogedash Twitter space. Dogedash trainer mentioned, like, Michael Jordan would not be investing in something when XRP, and I know you guys know the news out there, XRP is going through litigation, they're going through a lawsuit. There's no way a Michael Jordan is going into space not knowing the risk behind Ripple, right? So he's speculating that maybe he knows something. He might be right, but we'll see. So I want to look at the chart of XRP just because they're in the headline, and I want to track the performance just because when the outcome, whatever the outcome is on the lawsuit, it will be, in my opinion, will affect the market in general. All right. So this is just based on my research, okay, guys. So I'm not trying to push XRP to you guys. But the daily chart of XRP right here, clearly we're below 50 EMA, but we're testing these support levels right here. Even with the news it came out with, price action wasn't really there. I am kind of seeing a trend. The 50 EMA looks like it's getting closer to 200, so I am bullish on this as well, even though we did MACD did a bearish cross here. RSI is doing a downtrend. I am overall bullish on XRP regardless, just because of all the research I know and the things I know about it. But to me, this daily chart is bullish currently, just because it is still making higher highs. Okay, so the support levels right here. If it breaks that, the next support level for XRP is 69 cents, which isn't bad. And like I said, the MAC 50 EMA is close to the 200 EMA. And once that crosses, I expect the price to go above 200 EMA. And yeah, resistance levels for XRP is currently on the 200 EMA, no, first 50 EMA, which is at 79 cents. Right? Let me get that right there, yeah. And then the second resistance is on the 200 EMA, which is small price play, man. Like I'm pretty sure XRP will break these resistance no problem. All right, so that's it for XRP. I just wanted to add it just because they made a headline with Michael Jordan today. And last but not least, I'm gonna cover Dogedash. Let's see what the leaderboard is looking like right now. If you're not playing, I suggest you start playing. There you go. Price pool is at 1.8 million, valued at $348, close to 350. Start dashing, guys. Make the top 100. You don't need that much points. I'm not in it right now, but you need minimum 14,000 points to be top 100 spot. Okay, so start dashing, guys. Dogedash, price wise, I'm not really that thrilled, but it is what it is. Okay, like I said yesterday's in the video I had yesterday, they are coming out with big news on April 21st. But until then, let's see what kind of price action we get. The 1 hour chart is showing a little bearish for me because that uptrend is now broken. That uptrend now changed into a downtrend due to making lower lows. All right, this support level was broken, so now we're making lower lows. As you can see, I was hoping this support level at 119 would have held, but it didn't. So you can clearly see the downtrend is happening right now in the 1 hour chart, and we will continue to have this until the price decides to reverse or until a whale comes in. Although I'm liking how we're seeing the RSI. We're at the oversold area, so anything like what I mentioned before, anything 30 RSI or below is an entry level for me at least. And the bearish cross happened here. I'm happy to see the gap between the green and the red line, but it is what it is. Alright guys, that's the 1 hour chart for Dogedash. Not really happy looking at it, but let's see the 12 hours. And we're just there. We're consolidating nice. Consolidation. You can't stop the consolidation. It's still consolidating. This 50 EMA is annoying me because this is what the resistance is for me. It's one of the major resistance that it needs to break for me to see some life in Dogedash. Once this price sits above 50 EMA, then we can move on to 200. But for now, it's struggling to break that 200 EMA. I mean that 50 EMA resistance at 2. If it does break, guys, I'm sorry to say this, on the 12 hour chart, the next support is not a good one. It is a 1.7, and then and then we're visiting this low right here at 1.5. Dogedash. But you know, I'm still bullish. They have the second game coming out soon, and we have big news coming out on the 21st. This is the numbers that it's showing us, so it is what it is, guys. But just don't get emotional. Know what you invest in. Do your research. And thanks for tuning in on a Friday evening. And if you guys like the content you guys are watching, please help me grow this channel. Subscribe. Click that button on the bottom right corner. and like the video and share it to other people who have same interests and similarities of same crypto investments that we hold and love to watch. All right, guys. Thank you. See you in the next one.